Make sure you're logged into TechZenik.com. Select your age. Click Start Coding, and then click Python. Here you can see all our lessons, our sample code, and exercises you can do to practice Python and follow along. Hope to see you guys in Lesson 1. Hey everyone, Paul from TechZenik here. In this first lesson, we'll be learning about the print command in Python. I'm using a different website, REPL, compared to the one on our site, which we're using Trinket. Don't worry too much about this. They functionally do the exact same thing, and you can follow along in our lessons as well. The print command in Python allows us to print strings, numbers, or any other data types in the console. The console is the thing on the right, this screen, and on the left is our Python file, in this case main.py. To write a print command, we simply write the word print, followed by parentheses, and then the data type or variable you're trying to print to the console. In this case, I'm going to print the string hello world and hit run. And as we can see on the console, it printed hello world. We can print other data types like numbers, using print and seeing what's printed to the console is especially useful because it lets us do some testing or see what values get generated or created from functions or other commands we're trying to do in Python. So I hope this is helpful and see you guys in the next lesson.